this is the Trend T4E 1/4 inch router. Now, it's been one of the most popular plunge routers on the market for quite some time. We're a bit curious as to why. Now at ITS, we've spoken to many of our customers that are picking this up, and we see that a lot of it is down to the price to power ratio, but also just how reliable Trend are when it comes to routing. Now that is their game, and you can see some of the bells and whistles on display with this all-round reliable router. First of all, let's talk about performance, because this thing is giving you nice flexibility there with a variable speed dial on top of the device, giving you 7 different speed modes ranging from 11,500 RPM through to 32,000 RPM. That's not all you get with flexibility here as well, especially on the plunge base. You've got a nice depth gauge there, but you also have 3 depth turrets. So if you're routing at repetitive depths, you have these turrets in place, just enabling you to be as accurate as possible at all times. That said, you can take this device away from the plunge base altogether, and it is going to be more than ideal for other carving and die grinding applications. The head of the tool, it comes with a 1/4 inch collet. However, you can get 6mm and 8mm collets as well if you have router bits available to get the job done with those. Something we say with all carpentry tools, dust extraction is vital. Now Trend have included this with a dust extraction adapter, so you can keep yourself, the tool and the material safe at all times. Like I suggested towards the start of the video, Trend have kind of put their foothold in the routing game. They've established that reputation, and many people consider them to be routing royalty, which is why the plunge base on this is compatible with so many different guides, jigs and more. So a lot of this boils down to just how efficient and portable it is, alongside from the fact that this covers so many different applications all with one device. So if you're looking for one of the most popular routers on the market, then look no further than the Trend T4E 1/4 inch router, and you can get it at its.co.uk.